Hello, good afternoon. I don't come again with my gist. Today gist we go talk about all those boys where they friend married women. If I would they find married women up and down. Yes, when I hear me well. It turn today rampart to our Nigeria for our society. Where you go see where young boy go they treat, they run, they follow married woman like say tomorrow no day. Waiting happen, girls don't finish again for time. When a married woman don't carry on her own commit. It don't today rampart though. As I talk to you, get one case now where be say they can't give me when I be say they try to resettle. The person, I try to advise the person on what to do. The boy don't disturb the woman. So the woman don't dey fall in love with the boy. Yes. As per they talk, he don't dey fall in love with the boy. In fact, woman we don't born 4 children. 4 children. Now one young boy, one young bobo, they kill himself for. In fact, if they would spend for the woman, they send the woman money, they spend it with the woman, ask to give the woman. And the woman to husband house. Why would these things they happen? Even all those things where they happen, so we need to consider, we need to think what make it they happen because don't today rampant. It was not like this before. You don't today rampant. Number one issue I see for this thing, we say our husbands for us they really give us time. Yes, then they give us time. Then the chemistry between us no day again like before. Then they give us time. Then they talk to us when they talk to before. In fact, the way they romance us self don't they different from where they be before. When woman first marry, you go see the all and all romance and everything. Everything you want, when they relationship with the happen, the man go show to you. But at time when on the born children, it be like say the thing they reduce. I know you understand. Those things when they tell you before when they make your head they blow, you know can they tell you again. And one small boy from one place, go they tell you the thing, that one go they make your body they sweet you. You go come make you do what you not supposed to do. So they play with our men to make their try stand up because boys they vex outside. Boys they vex, they collect wife, go come collect wife from now. If you not stop for this issue they talk about so because this is don't too much. The woman when they ask say, what am I going to do on this issue? I say, see, babe, carry your husband, talk to your husband, say, see what thing they happen. Make you sit up. Yes. You guys open up to your husband, make you sit, make sure you go so that you go sit up because if you say you want to do them now, in Africa we dey. If you do want to say, follow the boy and I say, yes, I want to follow the boy, when the boy they do, they want to take care of you and all that. They love you, they send you gifts, give you money, do anything they want to do for you. Not be the suffer for your husband house, at least that attention when the man they give you, or when your husband they give you for no day again. You can't see person to give you that attention for answer. I say, forget the guy they do all these things. So, what do make you think, say, if today your husband catch you, come push you, come out for house, what do make you think, say, the guy go carry you put for house, go put you for house, say, yes, I want marry? Well, I leave the question for now to answer because somebody tell me say even at that when I tell the person say even at that some boys they say they're ready to carry you with the children put for house. But hello, is that what we are praying for? No. So what are we trying to say now? Our men make una sit up because boys they vex. Yes, boys they vex so una need to sit up, do what you not supposed to do. Be romantic as you used to be. Not just leave us like that anyhow. They do your thing, just leave us small, just they do our thing, they go. Which kind of thing be that one? Romance, no day, communication, no day. The gifts when they buy for us before. When last you go say buy it for your wife last. Oh, when last you go say you just did, you just tell message your wife, say, hello darling, I just feel like sending you a message. How are you doing? When last? Most men don't do that one to us. I beg. So many romantic moves we say we they keep before us, husband they give us before. You know they again. You know they again. And when you come see one boy they give you for outside, you go 1-4. I don't want to come make you want to sin against God. I beg, I dey plead our men when they watch this video. I use God begging them, I'm gonna try sit up because boys they vex. When they don't come collect wife from our hand. We know say you know they easy for we women. So you know they easy for us at all. Because we they move by waiting with they hear. That is it. Now what they tell us for us now they move by. So I did this video they plead us me men, our men, make una try sit up, make una come back to those old days when I go they tell us sweet things, they romance us, the one I suppose one of the romance us, we say we did courtship and all that, the one that they do. They romance us, show that romance to us, the gifts that they buy for us, make una show us. How about waiting? Now we just they drive relationship, we just they have just they drive it, we just they drive just like that. Hello, no, so we take start to so we know like say end. So they beg our men, make una try sit up, be romantic. When I not allow boys collect una wife from una, boys they vex, they vex. I mean say that they vex, so una better sit up. Now don't hear so, look una hear. I don't stop this one for today. We'll talk about this issue next time. Drop your comments at the comment box. And subscribe to this channel to get more gist from me about marriages and every other thing that happen around us. I pray that God will help us all. Thanks very much, my viewers. God bless you all. See you some other time. Bye bye.